Remote Patient Monitoring, or RPM, is a valuable insurance reimbursed service. It aligns well with value-based care because as it incentivizes proactive monitoring of biometric data from devices that patients use at home. Proactive care helps providers by keeping patients out of the hospitals and ERs, which of course lowers the healthcare spend and improves patients' quality of life. The CoachCare platform makes RPM easy and efficient for providers, patients, and billers. RPM is also valuable for many chronic and acute conditions, and the monitoring service can be done by any clinical team member under general supervision from the ordering qualified healthcare provider. It is a great fit for many practices, large and small, and typically we can get practices started in just a few days. Once you've decided a patient a good fit for RPM, you just need to follow a few steps to get them started. First, of course, you're going to get the patient's consent, and then you'll order your services in the EHR. Then you can provide a patient with one of our wireless devices that fits the diagnosis, such as a body composition scale, blood pressure monitor, pulse oximeter, or glucometer. After that, you will direct the patient to download the CoachCare app that is available for your practice. The mobile app is where the patient will connect their wireless device and upload data to flow real-time into your provider dashboard. At that point, all you need to do is activate RPM in the CoachCare platform. This is the platform here, and this patient has been activated for RPM. Once they're activated for RPM, you can see that there's time tracking ability right here in the dashboard. You may also call a user directly from this dashboard that connects to their mobile app. And by checking off RPM when you are doing this live call, it will also make the requirement for a live interaction. The platform then will begin documenting that time for the provider and clinical staff and the time spent monitoring every time they log in. This is a very convenient tool to make sure that you are getting all of the codes ready that are billable events. All clinical reports will be available via the dashboard for the provider team. With just one click, you can report the dashboard that supports all billable codes within the patient's entire episode of care. Here's a sample of our report. RPM can be turned on with just a few clicks of a button. I will go ahead and do that for you now. I'm going to disable this just to show you how quick and easy it is. RPM, the patient consented. It's been recorded in the electronic medical record. You're going to turn them on, enable RPM. You will select the appropriate clinic. You will select the appropriate provider. Type in diagnosis, hit next. Confirm everything has been completed, hit next, and then select one of the wireless devices that best meets your patient's need. Very quick and easy to enable RPM. All clinical reports will then be available in the dashboard for any of your claims processing. The CPT codes generate super bills after each month so the team can easily submit charges for reimbursement. And these reports are batched for ease of use. A dedicated CoachCare RPM expert will work with you and your team every step of the way, and we look forward to getting you ramped up today.